Venice Harbour, June 1859, mid-morning. Austrian naval engineer watching miniature ship glide across white table in pitch-black observation room high above lagoon. Not toy, real Franco-Sardinian warship sailing toward harbour entrance. Image projected live through massive lens mounted in tower wall. Engineer's finger hovering over telegraph key. Ship's shadow drifting across grid drawn on table, approaching marked intersection corresponding to submerged mine 300 yards offshore. Shadow crosses mark. Engineer presses key. Instant electrical pulse travels through underwater cable. Mine detonates. Massive waterspout erupts exactly beneath enemy vessel. Franco-Sardinian warship crippled, listing, crew abandoning ship. Perfect precision strike executed from dark room using nothing but sunlight, optics, geometry. Austrian camera Obscura fire control system, world's first optically guided weapons platform, turning ancient optical device into mathematical targeting computer, removing human judgment, human error, human depth perception from equation entirely. Ship's projected position on table matching real position in harbour with absolute optical certainty. Grid marks on table corresponding exactly to mine, coordinates on harbour floor. Operator simply watching miniature theatre of war, pressing button when shadow touched drawn line. Pure photonic mathematics directing explosive force. Speed of light determining speed of death. Second Italian War of Independence pitted Austria against Franco-Sardinian alliance seeking Italian unification. Austria controlled Lombardy, Venetia, northern Italian territories including strategic port city Venice. French Emperor Napoleon III allied with Kingdom of Sardinia, bringing modern French army against Austrian forces. War began April 1859, when Austria issued ultimatum demanding Sardinian demobilization. Sardinia refused. Austria invaded. France declared war May 3rd. Major battles fought at Magenta, Solferino, bloody affairs producing tens of thousands of casualties, ultimately inspiring Henri Dunant to found Red Cross. Austria faced coalition forces on land, but maintained naval superiority, held fortress cities including Venice. Venice's lagoon provided natural defensive barrier. Austrian navy controlled Adriatic approaches. Problem: Franco-Sardinian forces possessed modern steam warships capable entering Venice harbour, bombarding city, landing troops. Austrian military engineers needed harbour defence without exposing Austrian ships to superior French firepower. Solution: underwater mines, called torpedoes in 19th century before word shifted meaning to self-propelled weapons. Mines positioned throughout harbour approaches, connected via insulated copper cables to shore-based detonation stations. Technology existed. Russian engineer Pavel Schilling demonstrated electrical underwater mine detonation 1812. American Civil War would see extensive mine warfare 1861 through 1865. Austrians possessed electrical firing capability. Challenge: precision timing. Detonating mine required knowing exact moment enemy ship positioned directly above explosive device. Observer on shore watching ship in harbour faced an impossible depth perception problem. Ship sailing past appeared to move relative to background landmarks, but judging precise moment ship crossed specific underwater coordinate, hundreds of yards distant beneath water surface, proved nearly impossible. Premature detonation wasted mine without damaging target. Delayed detonation missed opportunity. Human visual judgment inadequate for precision required. Austrian engineers solved problem using camera Obscura, ancient optical device predating photography by centuries. Camera Obscura, Latin for dark room, consisted of completely darkened chamber with small aperture or lens admitting light from outside. Light passing through aperture projected inverted image of external scene onto opposite wall or table inside dark room. Phenomenon understood since antiquity. Arab physicist Ibn al-Haytham described principles 11th century. Renaissance artists used camera obscura as drawing aid. Canaletto allegedly used device creating precise Venice cityscapes 1700s. Device projected geometrically accurate real-time image of whatever lens pointed toward. Austrian installation magnificent in simplicity. High tower overlooking Venice harbour. Top floor converted into completely dark observation room. Windows sealed, walls painted black, no internal light sources. Large lens mounted in wall opening facing harbour, projecting harbour image downward onto white horizontal table in room's centre. Image showed entire harbour approach in miniature. Ships, water, landmarks, moving in real time as sunlight streamed through lens. Image inverted, but perfectly proportional. Geometrically accurate representation of actual harbour. Engineers surveyed harbour floor, recorded precise coordinates of every planted mine. Translated coordinates into grid drawn directly on projection table. Each intersection on grid corresponded exactly to specific mine location in harbour. Telegraph keys positioned beside table. Each key connected via cable to specific mine. Operator sat in darkness, watching projected harbour. Enemy ships appeared as moving shadows on illuminated table. Operator tracked ship movement across grid. When ship's shadow touched marked intersection representing mine position, operator pressed corresponding telegraph key. Electrical pulse travelled through cable. Mine detonated beneath ship at precisely correct instant. No human judgment required, no depth perception needed. Pure optical geometry. Camera obscura provided perfect overhead view, bird's eye perspective, eliminating parallax error, distance ambiguity. Grid on table functioning as targeting computer. Operator became mechanical component executing mathematical certainty. System possessed limitations. Required daylight. Camera obscura functioned using natural light only. Smoke from battle obscured lens view. Fog rendered system useless. Darkness eliminated capability entirely. Despite constraints, technology represented revolutionary advance. First weapon system using projected optical imagery for targeting. Removed gunner's subjective judgment, replaced with geometric precision. Anticipated modern guided weapons by century. Principle identical to laser-guided munitions. Optical targeting systems. External sensor providing precise position data, triggering weapon at optimal instant. War ended July 1859 with Armistice of Villafranca. Austria ceded Lombardy but retained Venice until 1866 Third Italian War. Camera obscura harbour defence demonstrated optical fire control viability. Showed that light itself could become targeting mechanism. Geometry could replace guesswork. Mathematics could determine detonation instant with precision, impossible for human observer. Ancient device designed for artists became military technology. Sunlight became targeting data. Shadow on table became death sentence. Pure optics directing explosive force with photonic precision.